Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif Aidil bin Ridwan. My matric number or my ID number is 572142242225. So my lecturer's name is Sir Sairo. So for my title project is Herd Sound Classification Using Transformer Encoder. Alright, for first slide is model architecture. So in this project, the input is for phonocardiogram of PCG signal, which is represent hertz sound. First, the signal undergoes pre-processing, including bandpass filtering to remove noise and normalization to stabilize the signal amplitude. So then the signal is segmented into fixed duration to ensure consistency. After that, it is converted into a MEL spectrogram, which is represent the signal in time frequency form. So next, convolutional neural network or CNN layers are used to extract important local features from the spectrogram. So after that, the transformer encoder is applied to capture long-range temporal dependencies using self-attention. So finally, fully connected layers are used to classify the signal into either normal or abnormal hertz sound. So for next slide is why this model is suitable. So this model is suitable because hertz sound signals are time series data, meaning they change over time and require temporal analysis. So by converting the signal into a spectrogram, it becomes similar to an image, which is make it suitable for CNN to extract spatial features. So CNN is effective in identifying local patterns such as hertz sound structures, while the transformer encoder is designed to capture long-term dependencies in the signal. So the self-attention mechanism allows the model to focus on important part of the signal. Therefore, the combination of CNN and transformer enables the model to learn both local and global features, improving overall classification performance. So for next slide is loss function. So loss function in this project is a binary classification problem, which is where the goal is classify hertz sound into normal or abnormal. In this model, focal loss is used instead of standard binary cross entropy. This is because the data set is imbalanced, where normal sample are more than abnormal sample. So focal loss helps the model focus more on difficult sample, especially abnormal hertz sound, which is harder to classify. As a result, it reduces bias toward the majority class and improve the model's ability to detect abnormal cases. So next slide is training strategy. So for the training strategy, the data set is divided into training, validation and testing set to ensure fair evaluation of the model. So early stopping is applied to prevent overfitting by stopping the training process when validation performance no longer improves. In addition, a learning rate reduction technique is used to improve model convergence by adjusting the learning rate during training. So model checkpoint is also used to save the best performing model based on validation result. So last threshold tuning is applied to determine the optimal decision threshold, which helps improve accuracy, F1 score, and recall performance. So for next slide is additional slide, which is model strength. So one of the main strength of this model is that it combines CNN and transformer encoder. So CNN is responsible for extracting spatial features, which is while the transformer captures temporal relationship in the signal. So the use of focal loss helps address class imbalance, and data augmentation improves generalization. So overall of this project improves key performance metrics such as accuracy, AUC, F1 score, and recall, making it suitable for Hertz sound classification. So CNN extract features, transformer capture long-term pattern, focal loss handle imbalance, and the last, training strategy prevent overfitting. So that's all from me. Thank you.